JEE మెయిన్స్ మరియు అడ్వాన్స్డ్ కోసం తెలుగులో ఓజీ కంటెంట్ అందిస్తున్న ఛానల్ JEE తెలుగు మంత్ర. వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
వెల్కమ్ టు JEE తెలుగు మంత్ర. టుడే we discuss about pedal triangle. It's a part of properties of triangles. The first video we discuss about what is pedal triangle, what are the sides of pedal triangle, angles of the pedal triangle. 2-3 videos regarding this pedal triangle. ఒక 3-4 వీడియోస్తో మనం ఈ pedal triangle మనం కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాము. IIT JEEలో ఇంపార్టెంట్ పార్ట్ కాబట్టి మనం ఈరోజు pedal triangle డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. Pedal triangle. Pedal in the sense perpendicular, feet of the perpendiculars. See, this is a triangle ABC. ABC are the vertices of the triangle ABC. And here, one perpendicular drawn to the opposite side AC is one perpendicular. And this is another perpendicular to AB. And this is third perpendicular. Mark it as D, E and F. Now these three are the feet of the perpendiculars from the vertices to the opposite sides. Now we join F, E and D. F, E and D. A new triangle is formed here, DEF. This triangle is called as pedal triangle. What is meant by pedal triangle? The triangle formed by the feet of the perpendiculars is called the pedal triangle. Once again, the triangle formed by the feet of the perpendiculars. Now DEF is called the pedal triangle. Now second one, angles of a pedal triangle. Angles of pedal triangle. Generally in a triangle ABC, angles are A, B, C. But what are the angles in a pedal triangle? It is a different triangle, no? DEF. What is D and what is F and what is E? Angles means angle D, angle E and angle F. These are the angles in a pedal triangle. How to find the angles of the pedal triangle? See here, this is, you take it as H. Now from this diagram, B, D, H and F. See, B, D, H and F is a quadrilateral because 4 vertices and 4 sides are there. If you want to find out the angle D here, the angle D is the sum of these two angles. The sum of these two angles. Now if you find out this angle and this angle, just add these two, we find out the angle of the pedal triangle. For this, we take this quadrilateral. See, when you join this, it is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. What is meant to be cyclic quadrilateral? A circle passes through the vertices of the quadrilateral. That is called the cyclic quadrilateral. Now this is the F and FH. FH is the chord of this circle, and these two angles are angles in a segment because the chord divides the circle into 2 segments. A chord divides into 2 segments. This is the minor segment and this is the major segment. We know that in the circles topic, angles in a segment, my major or minor, are equal. FH is the chord and these 2 angles are in the cyclic quadrilateral. Now what is this angle? First you find out. See this triangle A, B and E. A, B, E. In this triangle, this is 90 degrees because it is perpendicular, and this is angle A and this is 90 minus angle A. So in this triangle A, B and E, E is the perpendicular here. This is angle A and this angle is 90 minus A. What is this angle? We know that angles in a same segment are equal because FH is a chord. These two angles are in the same segment. Therefore, this angle is also 90 minus angle A. Because angles in the same segment are equal, by circles theorem, segments theorem, FH is the chord divides into two segments, this is minor and this is major. Therefore, angles in the same segment are equal. This is also called as a 90 minus angle A. Now we have to find out this angle because angle D is the sum of these two angles. Now 90 minus A, this angle you have to find out, it is completed, and this angle. For this angle also, DHEC is again a quadrilateral. See, DHEC is a quadrilateral. If we join like this, again it is also a cyclic quadrilateral. And same, see this triangle ACF, F is also 90 degrees here because it is always a feet of the perpendicular, and this is the angle A, and this angle also 90 minus angle A. The same, this cyclic quadrilateral, we observe this also. This is the right angle and this is angle A and this is again 90 minus A. Now I apply the same theorem, angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore, this is 90 minus A and this is also 90 minus A. This is also 90 minus A. Now angle D is the angle in a parallel triangle. This angle D is the sum of these two angles. Therefore, first angle is 90 minus A and second angle is also 90 minus A. Therefore, now we have to find out the angle D here. Angle D is equal to angle FDH plus angle HDE. Therefore, this is 90 minus angle A plus 90 minus angle A. That should be 180 minus 2 angle A. Therefore, angle in a parallel triangle is, first angle is 180 minus 2A. దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటే పై మైనస్ 2A అంటాం, 2 angle A. Here angle D is opposite to the vertices A. Therefore, angle D 180 minus 2A. The same way here, E opposite to the vertices B. The angle E is opposite to the vertices B. Therefore, the angle E is equal to, this is angle D and this is angle E is equal to pi minus 2 angle B, because angle E is opposite to the vertices angle B. Now the final angle in parallel triangle, angle F is equal to pi minus 2 angle C. So these three are the angles in a parallel triangle. Normal triangle, angle A, angle B, angle C అంటాం. But in parallel triangle వచ్చేసరికి 180 minus 2A, 180 minus 2B, 180 minus 2C. Therefore, angles in a parallel triangle are 180 minus 2A, 180 minus 2B and 180 minus 2C. Now, angles are completed. Now we go to the sides of the parallel triangle. Here side DF and DE and EF. What is the length of DF? What is the length of DE? And what is the length of EF? These are the sides of the parallel triangle. First part is over, angles in a parallel triangle. Now we go to the sides of the parallel triangle. Sides of the parallel triangle. We know here angles of a parallel triangle 180 minus 2A, 180 minus 2B, angle 180 minus 2 angle C. Now our concept is sides of parallel triangle. Sides of parallel triangle. Like in the previous, we draw one diagram. Again, we draw the same diagram here. ABC is a triangle. These are the feet of the perpendiculars. This is D and this is E and this is F. This is called a pedal triangle. Now the sides of the pedal triangle. I want to find out the length DF now. I want to find out the length DF. For this, I use the cosine rule here because angle B is the opposite to DF. Angle B is opposite to DF. Therefore, I know this side and this side. Easily you can find out the DF. And what is BD here? What is BD? I apply cosine here, cos B. The adjacent angle is angle C. Therefore, it is called as C cos B. C cos B. And here the side is A. For this is also A cos B. Because angle B ఇక్కడ మనకు కనుక్కోవాల్సింది డిఎఫ్ కాబట్టి డిఎఫ్కి అపోజిట్లో ఉన్న యాంగిల్ బి కాబట్టి అండ్ పక్కన్న వర్సెస్కి కొసైన్ రూల్స్ కాస్ బి దట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఈజీలీ బై యూజింగ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ కాస్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు adjacent side by hypotenuse, easily find out the side BD. But directly we can know that C cos B here, A cos B is very easy to find out. Now I want DF here. DF, we apply cosine rule here. From the triangle BDF, DF square is equal to BF square plus BD square minus 2 into BF into BD into cos B. Is the cosine rule. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus BC into cos B. Likewise, DF square is equal to BF square plus BD square minus 2 into BF into BD into cos B. So apply this. What is BF? A cos B. A cos B whole square plus BD C cos B whole square minus 2 into A cos B C cos B into cos B. Here A square cos square B, A square cos square B, here C square cos square B minus 2 into A into C, 2AC cos B cos B cos B, 2AB cos square B into cos B. Here cos square B is taken as common here. Cos square B is common. This is A square and this is C square. This is minus 2AC into cos B. Again cosine rule we apply here. For this is cos square B into, this is in the form of A square plus B square. Therefore it is B square. Cosine rule, B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC into cos B. Therefore finally we obtained here DF square is equal to B square cos square B. For DF is equal to B cos B. B cos B. Automatically this is C cos B, this is A cos B. At the same time DF is equal to B cos B. See, easily you can identify here, this is C cos B, this is A cos B and it is also B cos B because it is opposite versus B. Therefore the side of pedal triangle DF is equal to B cos B because opposite versus is B and cos B, cosine. In the likewise, F angle, see that will be EF side. EF side is opposite to the angle A. Therefore, this is B cos B and this is A cos A. And this side DE, what is C? Therefore, he is C cos C. C cos C. Therefore, the sides of the pedal triangle are B cos B, C cos C, A cos A. A cos A. Sometimes in the place of B, we write 2R sin B. 2R sin B. 2R sin B cos B. Sometimes B cos B ఏం రాస్తారంటే B cos B, B అంటే సైన్ రూల్ ప్రకారం 2R sin B. This is cos B. 2 sin B cos B. 2 sin B cos B అంటే sin 2B. sin 2B. కాబట్టి సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ పెడల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ని మనం ఇంకోసారి ఎలా రాస్తామంటే R sin 2B, R sin 2C, R sin 2A. The sides of parallel triangle are B cos B, C cos C and A cos A, or R sin 2B, R sin 2C, R sin 2A. These are the sides of parallel triangle and the angles of a parallel triangle. And we know first point is what is parallel triangle? The triangle formed by the feet of the perpendiculars is called the parallel triangle. Then sides of the parallel triangle are B cos B, C cos C and A cos A. In terms of circumradius, R sin 2B, R sin 2C and R sin 2A. And angles of a parallel triangle are 180 minus 2A, 180 minus 2B and 180 minus 2C. Now the third one is circumradius. Circumradius, that means capital R. Circumradius is capital R. This is B, C cos B, this is A cos A, right. Now third one is relation between R and R dash. Circumradius. We know the sin rule, A by sin A is equal to 2R. Sin rule is A by sin A is equal to 2R, B by sin B is equal to 2R, C by sin C is equal to 2R. Now R is equal to A by sin A. A by sin A is normal triangle. But in this parallel triangle, the side is you take it as EF. This is EF. For side by A by sin A, and A by sin A, opposite angle. Side ki opposite లో ఉన్న యాంగిల్ వేయాలి. అపోజిట్ లో యాంగిల్ ఏమవుతుంది? sin angle FDE. A by sin A. EF is equal to A cos A by FDE. This angle in a parallel triangle is sin 180 minus 2A. Here pi minus 2A. Now here A cos A. A cos A by sin 180 minus A. Again sin A. Sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Now here A in terms of 2R sin A. 2R sin A cos A. Because by using sin rule, sin 2A means 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. 2 cancel, sin A cancel, cos A cancel. Now this is R. 2R sin A cos A by 2 sin A cos A. Now we get, this is, we take it as R dash because R is general triangle circumradius and this is parallel triangle circumradius. Therefore, A cos A by sin 2A. This is A means 2R sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A cancel here. R is equal to R by 2 is equal to R dash. This is circumradius. R ki R dash ఉన్న relation ఇది. R ki R dash కున్న relation ఇది. R dash is equal to R by 2. Okay. Therefore, angles of a parallel triangle are 180 minus 2A, 180 minus 2B, 180 minus 2C. And sides of parallel triangle are B cos B, C cos C and A cos A. R, R sin 2B, R sin 2A and R sin 2C. And the final one, relation between R and R dash, circumradius ki parallel triangles kunna circumradius relation R dash is equal to R by 2. 4. In this video, we learn 3 points: sides, angles, circumradius. In the next video, we discuss about the area of parallel triangle and in radius of the parallel triangle. Thank you.